Hello everybody, today's educational video will be about curcumin. I truly believe that curcumin is a natural wonder drug. It has so many benefits, so I had to create two video clips about it. The part 1 will be about the commonly known benefits, and the part 2 will be about its anti-cancer properties. Before I continue, I have to show you that in my blog, which is my first name and last name.com, robertgadimian.com, I have articles about how to fight diseases with the natural compounds. And here under my post, you can find the articles about curcumin and the science behind it. So let's go back to the slide deck. So what is curcumin? Curcumin is the key ingredient in the spice turmeric. But most people don't know that only 2 to 3% of turmeric is actually curcumin. I have good friends with good intentions, eat 1 or 2 teaspoons of turmeric per day, not knowing that they're only getting very small amount of curcumin. And I'm also going to explain in this video clip that your body has difficulties to absorb curcumin. So if the 2-3% of the turmeric is curcumin, and your body has a hard time to absorb it, basically you're not getting any curcumin in your body and hardly any clinical benefit. So what are the commonly known benefits of curcumin? It's most of you know that it's good for inflammation for your joint or body, but it has also other benefits, which is anti-inflammatory, anti-arthritis, even antioxidant, and most importantly maybe anti-cancer properties, which I'm going to explain in my next video clip. But before I talk about the clinical benefits and how curcumin works, I have to bring up a very important fact, and is that, as I mentioned before, curcumin is hard to absorb. Unfortunately, our bodies has difficulties to absorb curcumin, so just eating curcumin will not help you and will not provide the amount of curcumin that you need to get the clinical benefits. And I've done my research, and there are 2 formulations on the market. One is with Meriva, and the other one with the nanoparticle format of curcumin, and they have done studies in human beings showing that the amount of curcumin in the body, and so I believe that since they have their science out there, I only recommend to use these 2 formulations because they have clinical data proving that it can be absorbed, because there's a lot of other formulations with pepper and other stuff that's online, but I could not find any clinical studies to back up their claims. So how does curcumin works? In order to explain that, I have to educate you a little bit about this arachidonic acid cascade, which is the very bad cycle in the body, is the evil in the body, creates links to many diseases. From here you can see I have listed depending which pathway it goes. It can create cancer, it can create the rheumatoid arthritis. And the way curcumin works is that it blocks the COX and the LOX pathway. That's why if it blocks the COX, it prevents the rheumatoid arthritis. If it prevents the LOX, it prevents the inflammation and cancer. And you can read more about the science behind it in my blog, in the article that I have in my blog. And so just to give a bullet point format, it has curcumin has anti-inflammatory activities, as I mentioned, by blocking COX and LOX. And COX and LOX also are linked to the arthritis, so it has benefits for arthritis. It also, to my surprise, has had benefit as antioxidant benefits. And I've explained here how it works. And here they've done actually clinical study in humans, a double-blind study, showing that the people have less aches and discomfort by digesting curcumin. Here I'm going to end. Hopefully you find it helpful. Again, remember that all formulations of curcumin will not be absorbed, so find them, buy the ones that I mentioned, so you can get the amount of curcumin that your body needs. And in my next video clip, I'm gonna explain more about these anti-cancer properties. Okay, hope you find this helpful. God bless. Bye.